making Tzimmes today, and Nora is starting out. We're putting some very thinly sliced onion into some oil. I'm just coating the bottom of the pan with some vegetable oil, and we're going to saute this maybe 2 or 3 minutes. I like slicing the onion thinly because it caramelizes quickly, and I just like the texture. So you stir your onions as they're cooking in oil, and you want to caramelize them, and they could be translucent or they could be caramelized because they're going to continue cooking once you add the sweet potatoes and the carrots. Onions are just about ready, and we're going to add some, I like to use fresh ginger, and then I also add my sweet potatoes at this time that have been finely sliced. Just stir your sweet potatoes, and pretty soon we're going to be adding the sliced carrots. And you want to slice your vegetables. Add your carrots to your sweet potato. Stir it. Water to your carrots and your sweet potatoes, and stir. You can add a cup or so of water. Adding water to the sweet potatoes and the carrots, and you want to put enough water in the bottom of the pan so that it doesn't stick, and also so you have a nice syrup and a sauce. Orange juice into the mixture, and now stir some more. The orange juice gives it a nice sweetness and a nice flavor. Now we're adding dried apricots and prunes and raisins to the Tzimmes, to the carrot and sweet potato and onion mixture, and stir it around, and the liquid will plump up your dried fruit, and the orange juice will give it a wonderful flavor. A little pinch of cinnamon to taste, and then stir it around, and then you're going to cover your pot and let it come to a boil. And as soon as it comes to a boil, you're going to lower and simmer for about half an hour, 45 minutes. Stir your Tzimmes occasionally as it's cooking and simmering. You want to get it all the way from the bottom and keep stirring it gently so you don't break up your sweet potatoes.